You can feel the atmosphere of the smell just changing within a couple seconds of nice baking food, you know?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Wagwan subbies!
Wagwan subbies!
Today, I'll be making a
He will not
Christmas
be making
cake.
anything.
I keep saying Christmas cake, but it's not Christmas cake.
It's a coconut rum cake.
Yes.
So we're gonna be making coconut cake with white rum.
Yeah, cause you know,
Grandnephew white rum.
not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
Just saying,
No.
they're not sponsored.
No
in the video.
sponsorship.
But yeah, anyways, I'll be making a cake, guys. Today I'll be making a
You will
cake.
be holding the camera.
No problem. In life you're gonna have challenges, and one of them is making a cake today. And if you don't make a cake, I mean, what can I tell you?
Oh my
You should
God.
be making cakes just
So
like
Auntie
me.
Linda is gonna give us the recipe, and
Yeah.
we're gonna be making this cake.
She'll be assisting Daniel, and I'll be showing them what to do at the same time when I'm telling them to make the cake, and you guys will see behind the scenes and all that stuff, right?
You're gonna
right?
see him not making anything.
I'll be asking questions while they're making the cake, and you will see. So before we get started, I need you guys to go ahead and smash the like button, smash the comment section right now. Christmas, hashtag Christmas right now, or hashtag bake the thing, bake it.
And keep baking it.
Oh my God. Anyways, guys, let's get started.
Daniel, would you like to explain the last time you were cooking what happened?
No. Guys,
Please tell them what happened,
you
cause
know when your brain works in like a million ways at one time?
yeah, and you burned down the house.
I did not.
You almost burned
I
down
was
the house.
making sweet potato for Chase and I forgot and the pot kind of burned.
Basically burned down the house.
No.
Yeah.
Thank God we didn't burn down the house.
Boy, you forget pot.
It was Chad's fault.
And you're about to cook right now.
Chad's fault.
This is very embarrassing. How much do you preheat the oven, you know?
325 degrees.
Okay. And what about 350?
No.
Listen, man.
us burning down the kitchen.
Baking is an exact science. You don't guess.
Okay. So we are going to bake the oven at 325.
Bake the oven.
Today's ingredients will be sugar, flour, butter. Get the unsalted. It must say Great Valley here.
No, it was not.
Doesn't have to be great value.
Baking powder, sour cream,
Heavy
cream,
cream.
coconut extract. I don't know what is extract, but yeah, continue. Egg,
Icing sugar.
ice and sugar,
Icing.
icing,
Ice and sugar.
ice.
You have to get a new report.
Coconut flakes.
Coconut flakes.
The coconut flakes,
The all important white rum.
white rum. So this is the main ingredient.
This is the Jamaican.
The main ingredient. What's the main ingredient?
Flour, sugar, and eggs.
Okay. So if you
What
have
makes
egg,
it authentic is the white rum and the flaked coconut.
okay. So if you not have sugar or egg, you not say
Yeah, you
coconut
want a
cake.
Sift the flour.
Okay, so we're swifting the flour.
Sift.
Swifting, we're swifting the flour right now. 1 tablespoon of swifting flour.
If they even wanted to make this, they couldn't because you can give them the wrong instructions.
So it's swifting the flour.
Sifting the flour.
Can you imagine doing all this hard work and then when you open the oven, you find out the cake is a flop? How are you going to react, Auntie Linda?
My cake isn't flopping, so
Okay.
I don't need that
So
reaction.
and me know if it can't end up flopping is my fault, right?
It will be.
For distracting us.
All things it's Chad's fault.
By the way, Auntie Linda is putting in some coconut flakes, and you know that spice up the cake.
Dear Lord, you guys, I'm so sorry. I apologize for Chad.
Thing in of the flaked coconut with the flour.
So you know you have to whisk it. Whisk it.
That's right.
Okay.
And then you set aside.
So just whip on it, guys.
I just taste the coconut.
Look at that.
It's A-OK.
Alright, so today's trivia. Today we're doing something different. We are going to give you a trivia question. If you answer it right, the first 3 people answer it right, will get shout out in the next video. Okay, are you ready? Today's trivia question will be, what was Chase's nickname before he was born? Go ahead and comment down below right now if you get it right, and we're gonna tell you the answer in the next video. Okay guys, as you can see, this is 2 cups of sugar. Wow, lots of sugar and butter.
The butter is what makes it nice.
How you know?
Because
You never had that cake
butter
before.
makes everything nice.
Okay.
You wouldn't know because you can't.
But remember,
Everything better.
you have to get the unsalted Great Value butter. That's what works.
It has to be great value.
Great value.
Try to get the great
Great
value.
value paying you.
They're not sponsoring no video around here.
We're now creaming the butter and the sugar together.
Okay, now we are formulating the sugar right now.
Right now you're disturbing the creative juices.
Okay,
That's our
that's
flowing.
good enough.
By the way, guys,
Next.
you add it in.
Yeah.
Look.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this girl, man. By the way, guys, if you look at this right here, it looks nice and yellowish. And if it not say yellow, that means your cake is not right. And it must have that flaky foundation, you know.
No, it's creamy.
Oh.
Flaky.
It's that creamy foundation right here, okay?
What you doing?
This is a science experiment.
I'm out here whisking, guys. And can't say me never do nothing. Out here whisking.
Wow, the one thing you can actually do.
Look, you're supposed to spin this while you do it.
Now you spin it off the coconut. Now you got aroma today. Adding the coconut extract.
So this is the coconut extract right here, right now, guys.
You know.
Smell coconutty.
Coconutty.
So we're going to add as much as we want to taste.
Okay, so if I was not an alcoholic, or if I don't like alcohol like that,
You wouldn't have to add rum.
okay. So it wouldn't name coconut rum cake though, right?
It would be coconut cake.
But why is that?
Because we are Jamaican and we love rum.
That didn't make no sense what you just said.
Yes.
If you don't want to add the rum, what is it called?
Coconut cake.
But what happened if you still want to tell people that you made coconut rum cake?
Well, you
You have to add
didn't.
the
Because
rum.
you
But you don't want to add the rum.
oh my God.
So we're adding the rum right now, guys.
So mix that together and we'll take.
Yeah.
Decide if you want it.
Daniel looks like she's very excited to taste the white rum. So this pan is right now is a grease
Called
pan.
a bunt
Okay.
baking tin.
It's a grease pan. Full with grease, right? Like oil grease?
It's not grease, it's butter.
Okay, butter. It's butter, guys. And now you want to add a little oomph. When you put the oomph,
Or cake.
you want to make sure you scrape it out gently, because you don't want none of it to spill, because that's like wasting the whole cake.
Especially the white rum.
Especially when Daniel's holding it, you have to be very gentle, because she's very clumsy at the same time.
Nobody's clumsier than you.
I think you are.
In the oven we go.
Here we go in the oven. Remember, it has to be at 325 degrees Celsius. And you put it in right there. Guys, if you guys want to know and want my recipes, go ahead and comment down below. I want Chad's recipe.
Whose recipe?
Chad's recipe. So we have 4 minutes. We're going to test it out in 4 minutes. But in the meantime, we are going to do the heightening.
That's 1 cup of sugar.
Okay, as you can see, this is the sugar right here. So now you put 1/4 of heavy cream.
1/4 cup.
As you can see, we just put in the whipped cream right now.
Not whipped cream, heavy cream.
Heavy whipped cream.
And then we'll do a teaspoon, which you can do a little more because we like the coconut flavor.
Yeah, so we're gonna add some more extract to it, I guess.
Yes.
Yes, you see it? I know my things, you know.
So bright. Go to the front of the class. So I put 2.
Yeah.
They say 1, but
Cause you can put any amount. If you want to put 10 scoops.
are we putting rum in the glaze?
No,
That's
we're fine. We don't need too much rum in it. So now we're putting the 1/2 cup of flake coconut, as you can see right there. Scrumptious. And Drew, why are you touching the thing right now? Let go your hand off it, because if it spoil you, we're gonna mix it around with a wooden spoon. Cause if you're not mixing it properly, I mean, it's not gonna be icing.
Icing.
Auntie Linda just took out the cake right now, guys. Let me show you a close up how it look. Oh my gosh. If you could smell this right now. This, if you know how heaven smell like, this is how heaven smell like. May I tell you right now. Me no how heaven smell like, you know. I mean, I tell you, look, oh my God. You can feel the atmosphere of the smell just changing within couple seconds of nice baking food, you know?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
So this is what you call a surgery right here, guys. And Auntie Linda is gonna do a surgery.
In the
Flip.
absence
This is
of-
called flip the cake. Hey, and let's see. Moment of truth. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. Nobody helped me. I did this all by myself. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God.
Some people wait till it cools, but I like to do it when it's warm.
Warm, so it
Because
melts.
I don't like when it's too thick.
So this is what you do right
So you
here.
just, this could even be thinner.
Yeah. This look good though, man. I lie. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you could really smell this cake right now, you'd have want some right now. Comment down below right now if you want some. By the way, guys, I will send you the recipe. I'll charge a fee of $5.
Really? Kind of your finished coconut roll
Oh
cake.
my gosh, guys, look at this. If you could smell this right now, guys, me not like to exaggerate, you know. I did a great job.
What? What exactly?
I did a great job, by the way. Okay, guys, moment of truth. We're gonna cut the cake right now and see how it comes out, you know. Inside must look nice and moisty.
Oh my God.
Nasty.
Here we go. As you can see,
is
Auntie
moist.
Linda's cutting it out.
Someone's running down the stairs to get a piece.
Oh my gosh. Guys, if you can see this cake right now, how it look. Look at that.
Moisty.
It looks very moisty, guys. What we're about to do
Okay, the
is
moment
taste
of
it.
truth.
Yo! Boom, bye!
Who made it?
I made it.
I knew you was going to say that.
Yo!
Listen, the people watching the video will know who made it.
Yo!
Thank you.
Yo, technically I made it because, you know, I use a mixer.
He touched the mixer.
Technically.
Guys, this cake is to die for right now. I can eat this cake the whole day. This cake done by tomorrow morning. Guys, the texture, this cake can win awards. Oh my gosh. The carrot, it just melt in your mouth.
Carrot?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
I mean, sorry, the coconut just melt in your mouth.
what you eating.
The coconut just melts in your mouth and it just nice. The foundation of the cake is so nice. It's not sweet and the rum gives that kick. The kick where you need in a cake to call it rum cake, coconut rum cake. Until then, I'm not gonna lie, I make the baddest cake.
Okay. Good to know.
Danny?
I don't have time to talk, so it tastes too good.
It's fire. Drew
And they say
them off his already, guys.
It tastes better the second day.
Don't watch me.
Yeah, 'cause it's
Love
strong.
me. It will taste better on the second day, you know why? Because
Let's hear why.
it get to simmer. The rum get to simmer in the pastry, you know?
Okay.
That cake right there,
10 out of 10.
more than 10 out of 10. You have to give that cake there 1,000 out of
We had
10.
it with a coffee.
Well, I didn't
and
have
it
it.
hit
Daniel
the
didn't have a
spot.
coffee.
Yes, I
But
have a
it's
coffee.
fire. It's to die for. It's something that you see and you want. It smells good. It tastes good.
It's not gonna
the
last
texture,
tonight.
and you know
I think
what?
it's gonna finish.
You know what's crazy? It just melts in your mouth once you put it in your mouth.
Let me guess, you
Why
made
for
it.
that, buddy? Huh?
Let me guess, you made it.
I made it. Nobody else made it. Nobody can cross it. Okay.
Sure.
Big up to Auntie Linda.
We need the
Not
secret
Daniel.
recipe.
Not Daniel. Big up to Chase. Not Daniel. Big up to myself because I helped out too. Daniel was
Just
nowhere
by
to be
talking.
found. And
Talking.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for your love and support. If you guys want us to bake something else, go ahead and comment down below. But we don't have Auntie Linda next time,
No.
okay? So this is that Auntie
So
Linda's
something
last
simple.
video with us. Yeah. Oh, you know. We'll see her next time. So shout out to Auntie Linda one more time. Big up her damn self, you know. And yeah, we're gonna do the notification shout out time. First notification shout out goes to
Nicola Bailey.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. The second notification shout out goes to
Mrs. Brooks.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. And the third and final notification shout out goes to
Gwendolyn Ward.
Big up your damn self. Thank you guys for your love and support. If you want to be a part of the notification, get a notification squad, notification notification boom bam bang, notification cake, notification rum cake, notification coconut rum cake. Go ahead and comment down below one of those things. Subscribe.
Notification white rum.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, now right, white rum. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, and turn on your notifications, and you get more videos like these. Okay? Okay? Okay, Chase? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, love you guys, and we'll see you guys another time. Peace.